The green flag is being waved. The race is on. Green flag and the Freedom 250 Grand Prix begins. I'll complete the on the race course is the reason for the yellow flag. Time they can look left and right and see him for a while.
And not even up to speed, and you can see the amount of bumps right there as the field will have to negotiate those along with 24 other competitors. Each of those drivers, all 25. And Christian Lugard through turn number 6 and 7.